Today, climate change seems to be everywhere.
A chunk of ice the size of the Isle of Man has started to break.
The last decade has been the warmest period since records began.
Firefighters are stretched to the limit.
What scientists say is further evidence of a warming climate.
Yet 40 years ago, climate change was virtually unheard of. Since then, Horizon and the BBC have followed scientists as they've grappled with one of the most complex and challenging problems they've ever faced. This unique archive has captured a constantly surprising journey of discovery. Seen scientists face a barrage of controversy and criticism.
Work of one of the world's leading climate research units is to come under unprecedented scrutiny.
And tells the story of the transformation of a little-known theory into one of the greatest scientific undertakings in history. On April 22nd, 1970, 20 million Americans celebrated the first Earth Day.
There must be some kind of way out of here. Say the joker to the thief.
For many, it marked the start of the environmental movement.
I can't get no relief.
It seemed as if the planet faced an eco-catastrophe.
Plowman, take my earth.
Pollution was poisoning the earth. Deforestation was damaging ecosystems. And acid rain was destroying forests and lakes. It led some to predict that our very survival was at stake.
If you had to ask me now what the chances are of civilization reaching the turn of the century, I'd have to say 1 or 2% if we're lucky.
But from today's point of view, one very important topic was largely missing: climate change. And when it finally did hit our screens, there was a twist.
The weather satellite depicts a planet that grieves for its lost harvests, while the price of food keeps going up.
The climate was becoming an issue, but the central message was rather different to today.
Will a new ice age claim our lands and bury our northern cities? It's buried Manhattan.